I finished my work. I have finished my work. Both are correct, but they do not always mean the same thing. That tiny difference confuses many English learners, especially when they try to speak quickly in real conversations. Imagine your manager asks, "Is the report ready?" You can answer, "Yes, I have finished it." In the next few minutes, you will learn exactly how present perfect works and when to use it naturally. The basic formula is simple. Subject plus have or has plus the past participle, which we call V3. Use has with he, she, it, or one person. Use have with I, you, we, and they. The main verb must be in V3. Go becomes gone. Eat becomes eaten. See becomes seen. Finish becomes finished. Regular verbs often end in ed, but many common verbs are irregular, so their third forms must be learned. First use, a past action whose result is important now. I have finished the report means it is ready now. Another example is, I have lost my keys. The past action matters because I still cannot find them now. Second use, life experience. I have visited Dubai. Have you ever eaten Thai food? We are not saying exactly when. Use ever in questions and never for experiences that have not happened. I have never traveled alone. Present perfect can also connect a state to now. I have lived here for 3 years or since 2023. Third use, something very recent. He has just arrived. I have just sent the email. Just means a moment ago. Already tells us something happened sooner than expected. I have already completed my main task, yet is common in questions and negatives. Have you finished yet? She has not called yet. Now build one sentence step by step. Start with the subject, she. Then choose has because the subject is she. Add the third form of complete. Completed. Put everything together. She has completed the project. To make it negative, add not. She has not completed the project. In speech, we usually say, she hasn't completed it. For a question, move has to the front. Has she completed the project? The main verb stays in V3. There are 4 useful patterns to practice. Positive, negative, yes or no question, and WH question. Positive. I have finished my work. This simply tells us the action is complete and connected to now. Negative. I have not finished my work. The shorter spoken form is, I haven't finished my work. Question. Have you finished your work? Notice that have comes before the subject, while finished stays unchanged. For a WH question, say, why has she left early? Or how have they improved so quickly? Now the biggest mistake. Do not use present perfect with a finished past time such as yesterday or last Monday. Expressions like yesterday, last year, and 2020 and 2 days ago normally point us to past simple. So, I have seen him yesterday is not natural standard English. The finished time word yesterday changes the tense choice. Say, I saw him yesterday. Here the action belongs to a finished past time, so past simple is correct. This gives you the key comparison. Present perfect connects past and present. Past simple places an action in finished past time. Compare. I visited Singapore in 2025. Because the finished time is stated, we use past simple. But I have visited Singapore focuses on the experience itself. The exact time is not important. Another pair. I lost my phone yesterday. That is a finished past event, so past simple fits naturally. I have lost my phone means the problem matters now. I still do not have the phone at this moment. Listen to a real-life example. Today has been a busy day, and everything I have done connects to now. I have attended 3 meetings today. The day is still relevant, and I am counting my completed experiences up to now. I have answered more than 20 emails. Again, we are focusing on what has been completed up to this moment. I have already completed my main task. Already shows that the task is finished, perhaps earlier than someone expected. My manager has just sent another message, but I haven't replied yet. Just means recent, yet shows a reply is still expected. Your challenge. Write one sentence with already, one with yet, and one about something you have never done. Subscribe to English Fix Daily and practice these patterns aloud today.